It is January 23rd, 2014. Thought I'd come out here, show you a little bit of what they're still doing to us. See if I can catch him. Yeah. Put it back down a minute. Okay. Yep, shooting out that rear end thing again. There he goes. Huh. Yep. Anyway, we've been getting it heavy at night, and as you can see, it's non-stop. Let's try this again before he gets out of my sight. I can't get it, the sun's in the way. Anyway, just to show you, it's non-stop. All right. God help us and take care of everyone. All right, it's still January 23rd, 2014. I was out here 40 minutes ago, and you saw the chemtrail and the other one coming up, right? Our whole sky. This is to the south, east, all above here, all the way to south that way, sunset. This is the west. Our whole damn sky. Look at this. And that's been being chemtrailed at night for the past 4 nights. 3 days we had no chemtrails. Today they decided to chemtrail. And god-awful headaches. Everybody's complaining about the headaches, and I can't get rid of mine. And I think this is probably why. But I wanted to show you. This is nothing to play around with. This is not normal clouds. Anybody looking up ought to have sense enough to stop and think, wait a minute, clouds don't do this. But, you know, what can I say? Sleepers. They're the ones that's going to be fooled. Come time for them to wake up, they're going to be left in the dark. And it's not like we're not out here, all of us out here showing people what the hell's going on. Oh, dear God, please make them stop. This is not right. And we're going to have like 15-degree temperature tonight. We had wasp out here yesterday and a hornet, believe it or not. It's just, you know, and I'm out here breathing this crap. Smart. But, I mean, seriously, this has got to stop. But I wanted to show you. Anybody else having skies like this? Because we sure are. All right. God bless everybody. Please, people, stay out of this. Love you much. Later.
Live, this is One for the Record. I'm Diane, and today is January 24th, 2014, and here are your news updates for today. Still getting used to the new year. Let's see. Let's go into the Watchers watching the world. Researchers develop holograms that change color in presence of certain compounds. Also, ancient forest stabilizes Earth's CO2 and climate. Also, Stanford scientists use virtual earthquakes to forecast Los Angeles quake risk. Also, industrial agriculture has reached its peak, say scientists. Time for a return to small scale. Alrighty then. Let's go into E&E News, Energy News, U.S. Canada. Newspaper ignores scientific models that show Fukushima radiation impacting West Coast, fails to inform readers by only reporting on discredited tsunami wave height map. What illness of the mind must people have to lie about the threat? Also, it's cold. It's very cold in Florida. Navy officers on TV. My body is falling apart after Japan rescue mission. His right side just didn't work. Another can no longer use his legs and unable to urinate. If 300 times normal radiation is okay, I don't know what to tell you. Okay. Also, yesterday, Alaska marine expert, we really need to look at what's happening to ecosystem from Fukushima radiation. Models don't address ongoing releases at plant. A lot of unknowns, a lot of uncertainties. Ships are sampling for everything, but radionuclides could be affecting animals. Okay, let's go into E&E News, Energy News, again. Okay, that was U.S. Canada. Here we go. Fukushima. Yesterday. I'm going to read them backwards since that's the actual order they come in. Shock and outrage. Japan TV host reveals being told he cannot discuss nuclear power until pivotal Tokyo election ends. Somebody needs to bring these issues into the media. Number 2 in trending news. Also, nuclear engineer footage shows me it's broken. There's really no containment at Fukushima Reactor 3. I expect many different kinds of leaks will be found. Radioactive contaminants, basically floating freely. Also today, senior scientists at MIT event. Japanese scientists censored. Not allowed to publish research that compared Fukushima to Chernobyl. Fukushima ain't arguably bigger. Sorry about that. My lips are freezing together. It is cold. Also today, what's going on here? I won't move up. Okay, also today, expert, can't be changed and can't be stopped. Radioactive Fukushima water will continually enter ocean. Significant discrete leaks recently. West Coast should be alarmed at lacking of tests. Levels rising for 2 years and expected to increase. Alrighty then. Please be safe. Please be warm. Check on your friends. Check on neighbors. Check on people by themselves. Make sure they're okay. I guess there's a bridge in Louisiana. It has been shut down due to this winter storm. Snow. It's getting closer to us in Florida. Oh, it's terrible here. I know, we're lightweights, but you know what? Because we're in the hot weather all the time, our blood has thinned. So we're colder. Physically, we're feeling colder because our blood is thinner than those who live up north. Alrighty then, please, be safe, and I'll see you again tomorrow on the flip side. Stay tuned, I'm attaching some weather videos. Alrighty then. I don't know. I might attach this one thing I saw. I came across this thing called a wood imp. And I guess it's CGI. I can't tell. I think it's CGI. But it's weird. I might attach it just because it's the weekend. Alrighty then. Take care. This artist rendering shows water vapor rising from 2 dark spots on the dwarf planet Ceres, as reported in the journal Nature. January 22nd, yesterday, 2014. Wow. Almost looks like the winged planet. Wonder if that's going to move it out of its orbit that it has right now.
It is negative, looks like negative 11, maybe negative 12 outside right now. It's the coldest it's been, well, maybe ever since I've lived here. Okay, so the temperature is negative 12, wind chill is negative 35. Now, the humidity is 59%. That might work against me on this little experiment that I'm gonna try. Okay, so I'm warming up some water. It's getting pretty hot now. I'm gonna go try some. Okay, so what I've got is some hot water and some negative 12-degree air temperature outside here. I'm gonna see what happens when I throw the water up into the air. Scrape some snow off here so I can set the camera down. Okay. Here it goes. that was pretty neat. I want to do that again. That was really cool. So that's pretty neat over there. We've got, I guess the ice crystals in the air are acting like a prism and making a little rainbow around the sun. It is cold out here. Okay, I'm gonna real quickly go do another, throw another glass of hot water in the air. I didn't make it quite as hot this time. Make sure I'm aimed right. It just evaporates as soon as it hits the super cold air. Oh, and the sun's got, there's a better one, better little rainbow over there. You almost can see the full ring around the sun. Man, it is cold out here. I have one more experiment that I want to try. I can't quite hardly believe that it's possible, but what I've heard is if you set 2 glasses of water, one warm and one cold, out into the cold, the one that is warm will freeze faster than the one that's cold. Has to do with density. I'm gonna have to check it out and see if it's actually true, first of all. And then if it is in fact the case, then I'm gonna have to learn why, because it doesn't make any sense to me. So first I have to see it to believe it. If it's true, then I'm gonna find out why.
Hama wichae ukau na kwa